Take control. Automate smarter.
Hello and welcome to ShopperX. In this video, you'll get a quick overview of how to install and activate the ShopperX app on your iOS device in just 5 steps. First, you'll install TestFlight, which is required to download beta apps like ShopperX. Then, you'll install the ShopperX app using the download link provided. Important, the download link changes frequently, so always ask your seller for the most up-to-date link before starting the installation. Next, you'll go through the profile configuration, which happens twice. You'll enter your activation key 2 times, once before and once after the profile setup, as part of the process. Once that's done, your key is fully activated and the app will be ready to use. Finally, you'll set up the VPN, which ensures a secure and stable connection while using ShopperX. After completing all 5 steps, your installation is complete. Now watch the next video to follow each step with clear on-screen instructions and finish your setup with confidence. Let's begin.